Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I am Uncle Mark. Going to be working on my 2007 to 2014 Dodge Sebring, well it's actually Chrysler, or Chrysler 200, whichever you prefer. Both basically the same car, just different years. Changing the interior cabin air filter, which to my surprise, and I've only had this car a month or so when I'm doing the video, it was missing it. Probably because it was driven on gravel a lot and it probably got plugged up. Anyway, I'm going to have a nice fresh cabin air filter, and you can too. Don't need any tools, it's easy to do. Let's get right to it. So, cabin air filter. If there's one available, I'll put a link below from Amazon. That's what it looks like, so should be fairly easy to put in. So it's actually behind the glove box. Now these are all fairly similar. How this one's a little bit different. So you have to pull the top corners out. It's got these little stops, but you don't want to pull it too far. This one came out fairly easy. It's actually clipped in the bottom too. There's a string on the right hand side where my right hand is. I'll get you a close-up of it. Try to take it off here, so it pulls back towards you and you'll see the shape of it. That's important for later, and it's like an elastic, so slowly let it go back, pull the door out. It's actually in here. A couple little tabs, this little door comes off, should just pop off like that, and this you might have to just give it a little tug or so. So it shows you which way the airflow goes down. I think that door only goes on one way. Give this just kind of a rock back and forth because it's kind of clipped in there. It's almost too long to get it out. And you might have a bunch of debris on top. I didn't. Now you may wonder, should you vacuum out that area in there? Well, it's actually a hole. So I don't think you're going to get a vacuum in there. But you can see the fan there. Thought I'd just show you. You could have leaves stuck in there if you haven't had that filter in for a while, or something's broken through it. Or as you were taking the filter out, something fell off the top of the filter. So anyway, the new one just goes back in. This one had an arrow, but it didn't say what the arrow means. You'll notice I clicked in. Both sides should just have a slight click. This filter looked the same, right side up, upside down. I guess if you've taken it out to clean it and put it back in the same way. You'll see the extra space in here because the filter kind of hangs out a teeny bit. I thought they gave me the wrong filter. Should just click back in there. You'll see there's quite a bit of room inside there to take up that space of the filter hanging out. Should just click on both sides. Give it a good push. It was a little tight, but it went in there. And then this damper string, whatever, goes in only one way, that wedge shaped. The hole goes in there. You can't put it in backwards. I found it was easier to pop the top in first and then try and do these hinges one at a time. This is the passenger side. You might have to give it a little bit of a smack. Tried doing the passenger side too, and it's like, no, didn't make it, so try it again on the passenger side. Give it a little bit of a tap. There, snapped in. Should just be able to close it and you're done. Easy. Well, that's going to do it for the video. Very easy to do, as long as you can crawl in under there. Just don't forget about that little string that kind of is a damper for when you open that little glove box door. You don't want to break that off. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the corner, as always. I'll also put up a link for my playlist on this car. I've done quite a few videos already, and I'll continue to do them until I get rid of the car. They're up here. I don't know how many there are already. I'm planning on keeping the car at least for another 6 months. That's because I'm doing these over the winter months. Till next time, you and your family stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. do this one now. And see what other videos you can find from that. Plus, I work on a bunch of other vehicles too that I've owned or do own. Wife owns. The odd friend sometimes. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. I'm not editing that out. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark.